Yeah, I think it's on. Oh, wait, it isn't clipped there, yeah.
Thank you. I just have a couple simple little ones here. This is a A-frame for Chalet. This is made out of cedar. It's 4 wrens. That's what I make it for. Little door on the front here so you can clean the crap out in the fall. If I get it open. Okay. And then what I find is that in the fall, it's fairly full of stuff. You need to take your manure fork and pull it. Anyway, this is meant to hang from branch or support, whatever. I make these fairly frequently. Everything I make, I donate to charity. That's what will stand out. They can come along. They can donate as much as they want to whatever charity they want. These go fairly quickly. This is a little, what I call a bungalow. Same concept with who's that was number 9. The thing about both that and this one is these are compound miter boards, which is kind of tricky. Yeah, he has one fit. But the same thing there. Drain holes, vent holes. This is pine. Again, both of these are done with water-based polyurethane.
Howard, what type of bird in the wren as well?
Yeah.
Okay. And I noticed you had in the A-frame there was a ventilation hole at the back.
Yes.
Okay.
There's well, this has got ventilation holes all around.
Okay.
On 3 sides plus one on the front. The A-frame you can't do it on the sides, so but there is a ventilation hole on the back. With the high ceiling, there isn't the heat buildup at the bottom.
Right.
That there is in the other.
We learn a lot about birds as we do this too. The first one was cedar. What's the second one?
Pine.
Pine. Okay. Just trying to get this for
I
the.
usually make a lot of cedar or pine. I probably make about a dozen or so of each every year, depending on the traffic that people provide. Okay?
Questions? Okay.